Hello everybody. So today, getting a quick update video. So, got a new mod on the car. I can't remember if I had these wires in there last time, but there's the wires. And I'm sure you can tell maybe right away exactly what I'm talking about. Let me switch the camera. So, that there is a 2.7 pulley. I had to grind the fins down. I ground way too much down, but whatever. 2.7 pulley. I just tested it out, did a few pulls. Pulls pretty good, and no KR through first and second. Haven't gone into third yet, but yeah, no KR so far. Still rich. I'm gonna have to get some way to, I think I'm gonna mount my phone underneath the hood so I can watch the fuel pressure gauge, because I'm thinking fuel pressure might be dropping off in third gear. I'm not sure why, but I'm kind of thinking maybe that's why I'm getting KR. So if my fuel pressure is dropping off in third, it's probably, you know, fuel pump's getting weak. So we'll see. Just gotta rig that up first and try it, but so plan is to take it to the track pretty soon here, and yeah, should be fun. Hopefully get the KR issue fixed before I go there, otherwise I'm not going to be able to make a full pass. But yeah, good stuff. Drag wheels are on because my tires on my black wheels are like shot. So other than that, I'm pretty sure that is all I'm going to touch the car this year. It has a bent inner tie rod on the passenger side. CV axles are leaking grease from the boots, but that's just going to have to wait. So yeah, 2.7 pulley. So anyway, thanks for checking it out, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.